Hello my darlings, welcome to my channel. My name is Viviana. Today I am going to show you how you can do this hairstyle. If you have very short hair, you can do this style even if you have long hair, but today I'm gonna demonstrate using my short hair. This is very short hair, so I'm gonna use eco gel as you can see. But the first thing, I made sure I just wet my hair with water, and then I use that eco gel. I apply it going upward because we're going to do a high ponytail, so I'm going to apply that eco gel, and when I feel like I need more water, I add more water, because when you use water it helps to smoothen the hair and to make the hair easy and manageable. So that's what we are looking for, my sweethearts. So I'm going to apply the hair gel going upward. I'm using eco gel, but you can use any styling gel that you can get and that works with your hair. My hair is 4C type, it's very kinky, so I'm using eco gel and I'm just applying the eco gel, and then I am combing. When you're combing, make sure you use different kind of combs. You can use combs with wide tooth combs, the combs with that have like a bigger combs, and then also use the small ones that has small tooth, that has bigger tooth. Yeah, so I'm applying the gel, and then now we're gonna work with at the back. I'm gonna add some water because my hair feels a little bit dry here at the back, so I'm gonna add some water just to make the hair nice and moistured so that I can comb easily. And then I'm applying the gel. When I'm applying the gel, note that I'm applying going upward because we are going to have a high ponytail, and then I'm using a wide tooth comb to just comb the hair before I come in with a small tooth comb. So I'm gonna go with the gel, and then I'm starting with the wide tooth comb, just combing my hair upward. I'm doing everything going upward when I'm combing, when I'm applying the gel. That makes it easier to grab all the hair and just to smoothen all the hair upward. And then I'm using that brush. That brush is very good. It's a must have if you're doing the slick downs, because it helps to smoothen the hair and to slick the hair easily. So I'm combing. You can see my hair is slicking down slowly. It's laying down very perfectly. So I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna do that. I'm doing the combing, applying the gel, adding water, and then I'm also squeezing the hair together with my hand, with the palms of my hand. And then I'm gonna use that hairband, and I'm gonna tie my hair. We're gonna tie that ponytail. We're gonna make that ponytail like that. Make sure you collect all the hair. Just squeeze and grab every hair piece that you have on your head, and then tie it. Make the hairband very tight so that it can be very secure. Remember, your hair is short, so don't use a rubber band when doing this because rubber bands are slippery. And then after that, don't waste time. After you've just tied your ponytail, use a scarf, a silk scarf, to tie from the back, one of them, and then the other one that comes from the front to the back. That will help your hair to lay down very flat, both sides, from the back and from the front. So I did that, and then I'm gonna use Malay hair. This is Malay braids. I'm using Malay braids in the color 1. This is black, that matches my hair color. And then I'm applying some leave-in conditioner just to make the Malay braids a little bit smoother and easy and manageable. Remember, Malay braids, they're very kinky, so we're just smoothening up using the leave-in conditioner. And then I'm going to unravel or separate the Malay braids so that we can have small pieces to work with. You don't just attach bigger pieces because it will be hard to work with and it won't give you the same results. So I'm separating the Malay braids like that into small pieces, and then we're gonna use that to style our hair. If you have short hair, you can do this style. Also, if you have long hair, you can do the same process. Just you put your hair into a high ponytail, and then you go ahead following the next steps that I'm going to show you. So I'm separating the hair like that. I'm going to use like 1 pack of Malay braids. Yeah. And now, after I'm done preparing my hair, my extensions, my hair is ready. You can see the hair has slicked down. I didn't even expect this myself, but this also was my first time slicking my hair when it was this short. Mind you, this video was I did this video back then, but it was in my other channel, my other YouTube channel that goes in Swahili language. yeah, and now I started this channel for my followers or people who doesn't understand Swahili, but they love my videos. So thank you so much for even subscribing, for clicking this video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'm gonna bring a lot of beauty stuffs here. We're gonna learn a lot. Let's get prettier. So I'm going to crochet my hair like that. Those are the hair that I separated. We're crocheting them like that, just normal, nothing much, nothing more. I'm just doing one knot and nothing much. So I'm doing it in line. I did like 2 lines at the back, and then I'm gonna do 2 lines in front of the ponytail, you know. So, and then make sure that you're very careful when you're doing the crochet so that you don't ruin your hair that you've already slicked down. And don't make the hair very separate. Don't make them far apart when you're crocheting. Just make sure they're close to each other, but not too close to each other, because if you make them too close to each other, you're gonna have like a lot of hair, and which you don't need. So I'm just done, almost done. Yeah. So now that's what we have. You can see I left a little bit of space in front. I didn't start all the way where my hairline starts. I went a little bit backwards. So when I'm gonna do the next step, I have space and I don't cover my forehead. You can leave it like that. Doesn't it look nice? Yeah. So you can see that's the line I was talking about. All the crochet, I did them in one line. So I did like 2 lines at the back of the ponytail. And I started a little bit upper of my head. I didn't go, yeah. So I'm gonna roll the hair backwards. I'm using my fingers to roll the hair backwards. This is like a roll and tuck technique. So you roll them, don't roll them too loose and don't roll them too tight. Just make a nice shape as you're rolling, and don't make it too big and don't make it too small. And then I'm going to attach some bobby pins just to secure the hair. The bobby pin should go straight to your natural hair and all the way to the extension. Make sure you press the bobby pin the right way so that they don't show up, and also so that you don't end up hurting yourself, because bobby pins can be tricky sometimes. So put as much bobby pins as you need, but don't put too many. As long as the hair is secure, that's all that we need. And make sure you hide the bobby pins. Don't let them show up so much, because that's not beauty, guys. Yeah, so we do it like a pro. Look at this hair, and look at how the extension is matching my natural hair. Someone might look at you and think like it's your natural hair. People used to tell me, is that your hair? I'm like, no. Yeah, so I'm rolling all the 3 lines backwards, and then the final one, it's gonna go to the front. This is a roll and tuck. Make sure you roll and tuck in the hair like that. You roll and tuck in the hair, and then you secure it with a bobby pin, sweethearts. You can stay with this hairstyle for 2 weeks, as long as you take care of it at night. When you sleep, make sure you tie the scarf around your hair so that you secure or you protect the ponytail, the hair that you slicked down. And then you can also go on top with a satin bonnet so that to protect the upper hair, the extension that you put there. You do that every night, and trust me, you can stay with this hair for 2 weeks. So the 3, like as I told you, I'm gonna roll the 3 bands, should we call them bands, at the back, and then the final one we're gonna do it differently. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do me a favor and subscribe if you really love this video, if this video touched you, and if you like playing with your hair, you love hair stuffs, please subscribe to my video. A lot more is coming. This is a new channel, but I have another channel which goes in Swahili, but this one is for English speakers. So yeah, so the last one I just rolled it forward. I rolled it going to the front like that, and you see the reason why I left some space at the hairline is because I didn't want, when I'm coming to like roll the hair, I didn't want it to cover my forehead that much. I wanted my forehead to show. Yeah, so now I'm attaching the bobby pin. So the 3 went at the back, and that one, the last one went in front. So the 3 went at the back, and the last one, you roll it forward like that, and make sure you fluff it a little, but not too much. If it's too much, you just tuck it in and secure it with a bobby pin, and that's what you're gonna have. Trust me, you will look so beautiful in this hairstyle. And then I'm gonna just cover the gap just to squeeze the bands together. I don't know, I'm just calling them the bands. Yeah, I'm gonna squeezing them together so that we don't have like a gap in between and they don't look separate. Yeah, and that's it. How simple was this? If you like this video, comment down below. If you're gonna try this, comment down below, share with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your like and your share is very important. Please comment down below if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. I love you, and bye bye. Thank you for joining.